Welcome to Kiddie Brain TV. Today, we are going to explore the exciting world of construction vehicles. So kids, get ready to learn, have fun, and discover amazing construction machines with Kiddie Brain TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos. Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer, a heavy machine used to push soil and debris. Excavator. This is an excavator, used for digging big holes and trenches. Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader, a machine with a digger at the back and loader in front. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. It mixes and pours concrete. Dump truck. This is a dump truck, used to carry and dump sand, gravel and dirt. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader, a small, powerful machine used in tight spaces. Road roller. Now this is a road roller, used to flatten roads and ground surfaces. Crane truck. This is a crane truck, a vehicle used to lift heavy items high up. Tower crane. This is a tower crane, a tall machine used to lift materials on big buildings. Forklift. This is a forklift, used to lift and move heavy pallets. Grader. This is a grader, used to level the ground for roads. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader, used to scoop and move loose materials. Mini excavator. This is a mini excavator, a small excavator for narrow spaces. Concrete pump truck. This is a concrete pump truck, pumps concrete to high or far places. Telehandler. This is a telehandler, a lifting machine with an extendable boom. Paver machine. This is a paver machine, lays asphalt to build roads. Scraper. This is a scraper, cuts, collects and moves soil. Tunnel boring machine. This is a tunnel boring machine, used to dig tunnels underground. Pile driver. This is a pile driver, drives long pillars into the ground. Trencher. This is a trencher, digs long, narrow trenches. Compactor. This is a compactor, compresses soil or gravel tightly. Tipper truck. This is a tipper truck, carries and tips heavy loads. Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck, a dump truck with a bending joint for rough sites. Crawler loader. This is a crawler loader, a tracked vehicle for digging and loading. Crawler excavator. This is a crawler excavator, an excavator with tracks for stability. Asphalt milling machine. This is an asphalt milling machine, removes old road surfaces. Hydraulic hammer. This is a hydraulic hammer, breaks concrete and rocks. Rock truck. This is a rock truck, hauls heavy rocks at construction sites. Concrete mixer. This is a concrete mixer, mixes cement, sand, gravel and water. Front loader. This is a front loader. Lifts and moves materials with its front bucket. Roller compactor. This is a roller compactor. Flattens ground with a large drum. Railroad crane. This is a railroad crane. Works on train tracks to lift materials. Heavy-duty crane. This is a heavy-duty crane. Lifts very heavy materials on large sites. Boom lift. This is a boom lift. Lifts workers to high places safely. Scissor lift. This is a scissor lift. Moves workers up and down on a platform. Water tanker truck. This is a water tanker truck. Sprays water to control dust on sites. Oil tanker. Truck. This is an oil tanker truck. Carries oil and fuel to machines. Mobile crane. This is a mobile crane. A crane that moves easily to different sites. Graddle excavator. This is a graddle excavator. Has a long arm that reaches far. Dozer loader. This is a dozer loader. A machine that pushes and lifts materials. Street sweeper truck. This is a street sweeper truck. Cleans roads and construction areas. Lowboy trailer. This is a lowboy trailer. Transports very heavy machinery. Stone crusher machine. This is a stone crusher. Crushes rocks into smaller pieces. Drilling rig. This is a drilling rig. Drills deep holes in the ground. Winch truck. This is a winch truck. Pulls heavy objects using a strong cable. Pipe layer machine. This is a pipe layer machine. Lays big pipes underground. Harbour crane. This is a harbour crane. Loads and unloads goods at ports. Side loader truck. This is a side loader truck. Loads containers from the side. Flatbed truck. This is a flatbed truck. Carries large or wide loads. Log loader. This is a log loader. Lifts and moves big logs in construction areas.